Welcome to Casual Cooking's channel. Today I went to Castle Peak Bay Beach next to Samshing Estate in Tunman. This building is a beach restaurant. A Dai Pai Dong. There is no luxurious decoration, but the price is very affordable. Go to try it. The location is beside Castle Peak Highway. Easy to reach by public transportation or driving. Beside to Sanshan BBQ ground, you can bring your own food for barbecue. There is a car parking next to it. Turn into Sanshan Street and there is a seafood market. You can buy seafood here and have it processed at nearby restaurants. After eating, you can go to the beach for a walk, take photos or swim. This place combines leisure and food. Because it is close to the beach, there are many mosquitoes, so it is recommended to bring your own mosquito repellent. The name is Kingshan Bay Jiakai Fishing Village. Eating in front of the sea view makes me feel very happy. This is the menu. Roast goose, Wenchan chicken, barbecued pork, roasted pork belly. There are other side dishes. There is also roasted suckling pig. You can bring your own seafood and cook it for you. Fried rice and fried noodles are all very affordable. There is a sea view, but the price is affordable. Ordered shipang fish to flavors. Includes fried rockfish with celery and steamed rockfish belly. Golden scones, price 23. Bigger than my hand. Eat with condensed milk. Try the shipang fish first. Fresh and meaty. But the fish was a bit overcooked. The frying process temperature is too high. Try celery. Very crispy and sweet. Try the golden scones. Dip in condensed milk. The surface is very brittle, very soft inside, and has a coconut scent. Tasty. This price, this portion, great value for money. With crispy sesame seeds, this is a must-eat. This cake is a surprise. This is steamed shipang fish belly. See how it works. This one is more delicious, more tender and not salty enough. This is half a roast suckling pig. Price 298. More fat. It would be better if there was less fat. Pork skin is crispy, but the meat is a bit tough and fatter. Sometimes eating depends on luck. But the pork rind is outstanding. This is half a roast goose. Price $268. The appearance is very attractive. Try it. More subcutaneous fat. Try the original flavor first. Average level. Duck skin is not crispy. Too much subcutaneous fat. Meat is tough. Not expensive but average quality. Try other parts. This is the shoulder. Knife skills need to be improved. This part has less fat and the duck skin is crispier. Dipped in sour plum sauce. This part works better, which gives this dish some points. Of all the dishes, I like this cake the most. Crispy on the outside, soft on the inside, and has a coconut flavor. The other dishes are just at the level of ordinary food stalls. The biggest selling point here is the sea view. Improve pleasure when eating. Although this is a food stall, a service fee of 10% will be charged. It is strongly recommended to bring your own mosquito repellent products. End of today's video. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please subscribe and press the notification button. Never miss video updates. Thank you all.